Everybody, again, this is my third video today. Amazing. No, but I did these and I did realize that yeah, I'm guessing they were a little bit easier this month because I only needed like a little bit of help, and the two first I did, they were like choof choof, really easy. So I just thought I'll go through this and like give you hints, or like, because there were certain things that I didn't get, like how you were supposed to do it. So I was talking to LootCrate, the people there, and they actually told me, like, gave me hints. So I just thought I can give some hints here. So I'm gonna start with this one. This one. The God, I have this thing here. This one. You're supposed to use this and the pin that I put here. My cat just sneezed. That's funny. The pin that you got. Am I holding it upside down? Yes, I am. You're supposed to use the pin and this paper, and so basically you're just supposed to follow this line, and you see it starts with well, it kind of looks blue here, but purple, orange, green, purple, and so on. And if you look closely at the pin, you can kind of see, like, this is supposed to be the orange, and then it's purple in the middle with the test tube, and then the face is green on this side. So then you have this page. Can you see that? It's like rows, at least, of letters. And there's 4 here, and then 3 here. And if you look, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3. So you just go through, like, you see the first one is purple, and you see the purple is in the middle of the pin. So then you see that the middle letter is the I. I don't know if you can actually see that the middle letter is I, but if you have it up, you can see the middle letter is the I. And then the second dot is green, and the green is on the right side. So then you take the letter furthest to the right. So basically, if you have the pin, all the letters on this side are orange, all the ones in the middle are purple, and all the ones on this side is green. If you just imagine that, and then you look, then you will see. So you're supposed to take, from here, you're supposed to take, I said it wrong, but anyway, the first one is purple. So you're supposed to take the purple letter, which is the letter in the middle, and then you're supposed to take the orange letter, which is the one to the left, and so on and so on. I hope you understand what I'm saying here. So basically, just see these as orange, purple, and green, and you will know which letter to take. And then you just do them in the order that the arrow points. So that one was quite easy, I thought. And then we have, I want to do, prime time. I'll take this one up. Sorry if this is taking, and you have these pictures here, which basically show you that when it looks like this, it's number 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. And there's only 5 of them. And then in here, you have like math problems, and if you look at this one, you see that the thing over there is 5, so it's a 5. So you start with a 5, and then you go to the next one, and you see that it's a 5 plus 4, and 5 plus 4 is 9, and then you go on and do all the math problems, and some of them are, oh god, what is that in? They're not all pluses. There's some of them are these, and some is minus, and you just solve them one by one. I can show you real quickly some of the ones that I did. I just solved it. The first one is 5, so then you're supposed to translate the number to the letter in the alphabet. So, the first one is 5, and that letter in the alphabet is E, and then after that it's 9, and that letter is I. And then you just go like that, and then it's just really easy. You just do them in the mouth, and then you just read the letters in that order. I'm guessing, I don't remember for some reason what word I said it was. Oh, yeah, it's 1 word, 2 words, 3 words. I just got confused for a while, sorry. So that's that one. Hope you understand. If there's anything you don't understand or something you wonder, ask more about, just leave a comment down below and I'll be happy to answer it as well as I can down there too. And the Hero's Code, this was one that I had such a hard time with. Because you're supposed to take the pictures in here. See, you can find one. We have this picture here, which is this one. And then over here, there's like this black marking. So here, you're supposed to find a letter. And it's like, you just, like, the line is like this. The square is like this. And you're just supposed to, like, find the letter. Some of them were, like, one of them is really easy. You can see if I can find it. Like this one. And the square was right over here. Over the A. So it was like, that's probably an A. I kinda got like most of the, I had like 2 letters that were wrong. So I wrote to LootCrate and was like, these are the letters I have no idea if they're right, because to me just, I looked at it and I didn't see any words. And they just said like, oh, these 2 letters are wrong. And then when I looked at it, I could figure out what those 2 letters were supposed to be. So it might be a little bit wrong, but it's supposed to be 2 words. Like, one thing, and then I can say that the first word is 3 letters, and then there's another word to help you out a little bit. And then we have this Joycifer, which is this one. And that was, like I said, this thing that is in the box. And I was so confused, like, because there's an arrow here, but there's also an arrow there. So I was like, I kind of felt like I started doing it like this, but it didn't make sense. So you're supposed to start from the empty arrow, the white arrow, and go this way. And then also, if you look, if you can, I don't know if you can see that very well, but some of the dots, they're not filled in. And, you know, like here it's got me a little confusing because like 4 dots, 4 dots, 4 dots, which would become 4 H's. But since these 2 are white, that's just 2 dots. Like the circles, they aren't filled, like the white dots, they don't count as anything. Like they're like, you just ignore those. And when there's like 4 white ones, that means that there's a space. So just ignore the white ones and it will be a lot easier. I kind of was like, I don't understand, but then I did understand. So you just look at like these things, like I said, like 4 black dots, it's the H, and then you just look, and then you get a word. It's now you get 3 words, a sentence of 3 words. That too I found kind of easy when I just figured that out. The molecular smash, this one I found rather difficult, because they say that you're supposed to take the letters that do not have an alter ego. And I saw more people asking this on the page, like, what does it mean that the letter has an alter ego? But apparently it just means that you're supposed to take, like this thing. I didn't really bother using this, I just took my own hand, because where the dot is on these, where the dot is right there, is your thumb, and then like this is the index finger. So if you take it like this and you see your thumb is right there, you know that this is the index finger. And then you're supposed to see, like, you're supposed to go from the outside in. So you have an M and then an E, but the E has another E, and that means it has an alter ego. If there are more than one of the same letter, you're supposed to take that away. So on this one it's M, A, and R that you're supposed to, you know, save to make the words out of. And you're supposed to do them in the order, the pinky is there, and then the ring finger, and then the middle finger, and then the index finger, and then the thumb. And if you do them in that order, you go from, and you do the right finger, And you go from out to in the circle, and you take away all the letters that have the same, that have a duplicate. You will get, oh god, where was that? Oh, I would think, was that one? No, that wasn't that one. It was this one. Oh yeah, it was this one. I think it will be like 4 words. Yeah, 4 words. That will be. Yeah. I was so focused on that I was not supposed to tell you the answers, so I didn't really focus on remembering which answer was to which thing. So I'm sorry. But I hope you understand what you're supposed to do, because the problem I had was that I didn't know what it meant that the letter had an alter ego. But it just means if in the same line there is more than, if there's a duplicate, you're supposed to take that away and just use the other letters. And then we have web walking. This one, I'm not actually sure that I did this right. I just kind of happened to understand what it wanted anyways. So, at least you have this thing here. And then you have this that you don't really need. And you see, you start with this thing, and that's up there. And then you're supposed to basically go by the star that is closest to that. And then it says you're supposed to go north, and then you have an I there, and then you go east, and you have an S there, and then you go south, and so on and so on. As you can see, you go north, east, south, east, northeast, and then when I started with the new one, I, because I had the paper like this first and went like north and but then when I was supposed to change it, I kind of changed and did like north this way, and then so now north was this way and south was this way, and then I did it this way, north and south. I think that's the way you're supposed to do it. Somehow I got the answer, so I guess I did it right. Either way, you basically get a sentence, but like the end, that is 2 words. Yeah, that is 2 words is taken away. So you basically get a sentence with the 2 last words gone. And those 2 last words you're supposed to like figure out and put in. And if you don't know the 2 last words, you just take the sentence that you've gotten and put it into Google, and then the rest of the sentence, the 2 last words will appear, I'm pretty sure. That one, but I think that's how you're supposed to do it. That's how I did it, and I got it. I don't really know. Oh yeah, that's how I got it. Yeah, oh yeah, that was what confusing me, because you get like 4 words, you get like 4, since you do this one and this one, so you get 1 amount of, you get like letters here and letters here and letters here, but they don't themselves, you kind of have to like split them up into different, like that was the weird thing, because you get like 4 chunks of letters, and then you have to split those up to make words. So that was why I got weird. But yeah, I got it. So yeah, that's, I think, is all of them. And that is basically... this is me. I've completed them. So yeah, that is basically all I think I can help you with. If I haven't missed anything or said something weird, without actually giving you the answers, which I kind of don't want to do because it's so much fun. This month, I actually thought that they were, this month was actually the easiest month so far, and oh god, my cat scared me, and I like that it was easier, cause like there was like 1 month it was so hard, and I asked LootCrate like for help over and over and over and over again, and I was like, so I really liked it. It was like, it wasn't super duper hard this month, but there was something that was like a little weird. a little hard to get. So hopefully this helps you out and that you can complete it, and hopefully you'll get your bonus loot next month, and its animations next month is gonna be amazing. And yeah, so have a great night. I'm actually gonna do something, and I'm thinking I'm gonna go to bed quite soon because I'm gonna get up quite early in the morning tomorrow working. So bye.